Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Have you ever talked to someone in English, but you did not hear one important word?
Maybe they said their name too fast.
Maybe they gave you their phone number too quickly.
Or maybe they said their email address, but you missed one letter.
Then you feel nervous.
You want to ask again, but you do not know what to say.
Today, we will learn one very useful and polite English phrase.
The phrase is, "Can you say that again?"
This phrase helps you ask someone to repeat information.
It is simple.
It is polite.
It is very useful in real life.
Today's speaking goal is simple.
We will practice how to ask someone to repeat personal information.
Personal information can be your name,
Your phone number,
your email address,
your home address.
or the best way to contact you.
For example, someone may say, "You can send me a text,"
Or, please write an email.
or "Let's meet in person."
In real conversations, people speak fast.
So it is okay to ask again.
You can say,
"Can you say that again?"
repeat after me.
"Can you say that again?"
Great. Say it slowly.
"Can you say that again?"
Good. Now say it naturally.
"Can you say that again?"
Now let's understand the phrase.
"Can you say that again?"
Can you means you are asking someone politely.
Say that means speak the same words.
Again means one more time.
So the full meaning is, please repeat what you just said.
But in natural English, we usually say,
"Can you say that again?"
this phrase is very useful when you do not hear clearly.
It is also useful when you hear the words, but you do not understand.
For example, if someone says an email address quickly, you can ask, can you say that again?
If someone says their phone number quickly, you can ask, "Can you say that again?"
If someone says their name and you are not sure, you can ask, can you say that again?
This is not rude.
It is polite and natural. Let's listen to a short dialogue.
In this dialogue, David asks Julia for personal information.
Julia gives her information, but David does not hear clearly.
Listen for the phrase, "Can you say that again?"
Hello, welcome to the English Communication Workshop.
Thank you. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Julia Carter.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Of course, Julia Carter.
Thank you. And how can we contact you?
You can write an email to me.
Okay, what is your email address?
It is julia.carter@example.com.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure, it is julia.carter@example.com.
Thank you. Do you prefer email or text message?
Please send a text if it is urgent.
Great. Thank you, Julia.
You're welcome. Good job. Did you hear the phrase?
David said, "Can you say that again?"
He used it when he didn't hear my name clearly.
And he used it again when he didn't catch my email address.
Now let's learn useful vocabulary for communication.
These words help us talk about how we contact people.
Number 1, write an email.
You can say, "Please write an email to me."
Number 2, write a letter.
This is less common now, but still useful.
You can say, I need to write a letter.
Number 3, instant message.
An instant message is a quick message online.
You can say, "Send me an instant message."
Number 4, send a text.
This means send a message on a phone.
You can say, please send a text.
Number 5, talk on the phone.
This means speak by phone.
You can say, "Can we talk on the phone?"
Number 6, social network.
A social network is a platform like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn.
You can say, I found the company on a social network.
Number 7, meet in person.
This means meet face to face.
You can say, "Let's meet in person tomorrow."
Number 8, video chat.
This means talk by video.
You can say, "Can we have a video chat?" Great. These words are very useful when asking for personal information. Let's practice more examples.
Example 1. Asking for a phone number.
What is your phone number?
It is 012-555-782.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure. 012-555-782.
Example 2. Asking for an email address.
You can write an email to julia.office@example.com.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Of course, julia.office@example.com.
Example 3. Asking about contact preference.
You can send a text or we can talk on the phone.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure, you can send a text or we can talk on the phone.
Example 4. Asking about a meeting.
We can meet in person on Friday or we can have a video chat.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yes, we can meet in person on Friday or we can have a video chat.
Excellent. Notice something important. David often says sorry before the phrase. Sorry, can you say that again?
This sounds very polite.
You can use the short version
Can you say that again?
or the polite version.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Now let's talk about a common mistake.
Many learners say only, "What?"
For example,
My email is julia.carter@example.com.
what? This can sound too direct.
It is not always rude, but it can sound a little strong.
A better phrase is, sorry, can you say that again?
Another mistake is saying only, "Again?"
This is short, but it may sound incomplete. Try to use the full sentence.
Can you say that again?
Or even better, sorry, can you say that again? Let's compare.
Not so natural. What?
Better, sorry, can you say that again?
Not so natural. Again?
Better, can you say that again? Remember, polite English helps people feel comfortable. Now it is your turn. This is your mini practice challenge.
I will say a sentence. You ask me to repeat it.
Use the phrase, sorry, can you say that again? Ready?
Let's practice.
My name is David Brown.
Now you say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Great. Next one. You can write an email to me.
Now you say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Excellent. Next one. Please send a text after the meeting.
Now you say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Very good. Next one. We can talk on the phone at 3 p.m.
Now you say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Nice. Next one. Let's meet in person tomorrow morning.
Now you say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Very good. Last one. We can use video chat if you are busy.
Now you say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Wonderful. You are speaking more naturally already. Let's review what we learned today.
Today's main phrase is, "Can you say that again?"
The polite version is, sorry, can you say that again?
We use this phrase when we need someone to repeat information.
You can use it when asking for a name,
A phone number,
an email address.
or a contact method.
We also learned useful vocabulary.
Write an email,
Write a letter.
instant message,
Send a text.
talk on the phone,
Social network.
meet in person.
Video chat. And remember the common mistake.
Do not only say "what" in a serious or professional situation.
Say, sorry, can you say that again?
This sounds more polite and natural.
Now you know how to ask someone to repeat information politely.
Your practice for today is simple.
Write one short dialogue in the comments.
Use this phrase, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
For example, what is your email address?
It is julia.carter@example.com.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure, it is julia.carter@example.com.
Practice this many times.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video
Subscribe to English Through Book Ideas.
and turn on the notification bell for more easy English lessons.
Thank you for watching.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and remember, it's okay to ask again.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.